All right, so we're still working on the CL 175. This is a 1972. Got the carburetors back on, all the fuel lines ran. We've got our ignition timing set correctly. Exhaust now put back on. Gas tank secured in place. Ended up getting a new petcock. You can buy a rebuild kit, but I just decided to get a whole new one. So we're going to be firing this thing up and tuning it a little bit. Trying to really go easy. We just put new rings on it and did a complete top end rebuild. You can see some of those videos, but we're going to give it a go. See what happens here. Put the choke on. Ooh. Wow. Okay. So she is alive. This is awesome. So let's see what we got here. Well, she fired on there for a minute. She sounds pretty good there. Well, cool. That is very exciting. We're getting pretty close to maybe taking this for a rip around the neighborhood. 1972. Got it for a steal. So keep your eyes open. There's gems out there, and you can rebuild them and have a lot of fun with them. I've had a great time with this one, and I'll put out another video here when we get a little further and getting it all running right. So 72, 175, pretty neat.